Hello, this is another update for my Piper Seneca V home simulator. I've finally finished the yoke mechanism. I got all the remaining parts and put all together. This is the aileron movement, elevator movement, the two motors here. Here I have the BFF Simulation cards from here in the UK. Controls the force feedback mechanism. The PSU, meanwhile, it's a SE 450-24, which is more than enough for 2 cards, but I'm planning to have a 3rd card for the rudder pedals, so I should be using the same power supply. I will demonstrate quickly what is the system capable of. The airplane is turned off, so you can see the movements of the yoke, and you can see them moving on the simulator. What happens when you start the airplane is the feedback start vibrating the mechanism, so to reproduce the sensation of the engine's vibration. So let me put it on. You can't hear, I believe, from the video, but there is a very small vibration happening here. The good thing here that you can customize how much do you want to have it vibrating, and even the frequency of the vibration. It's pretty nice. I'll put the park brake. So I will leave the yoke full forward so I can show the prop wash effect that happens when you put like full power on the plane. So full power, and you see it moving back. That's the prop wash effect on the elevator surface. So if I move forward, it brings back, and you can hear that the vibration has increased. Now I'll release the brakes and show the runaway vibrations. It vibrates even more. Take off. It's a bit heavy here. I need to tune the numbers yet, but as soon as you take off, you can see the vibration reducing, so you don't have that as much as it was on the runaway. I'll put the gear up, and the vibration goes even less. There is another nice thing here, is the autopilot following. I'll engage the autopilot, and the mechanism sets the autopilot movements. I will demonstrate here. I'll set the heading, so I'll make the airplane turn to the right 90 degrees. The movements here, that's what I could read on the manuals. They are not very precise if you look at the movement of the airplane, but this is not the mechanism's fault. In fact, it's flight simulator's fault. Looks like on X-plane it's more accurate because of the readings comes from a different area, but on the flight simulator it's reading through the trim wheels values, so it's not that precise, but it's pretty much that. I still need to do a lot of tuning here, change the numbers, to lift off the airplane during takeoff. It's a bit heavy. I still need to tune that and test flaps and stall, all these areas. It's a very complete software here. I have quite a lot of options to configure each of the axes, like elevator, aileron, rudder forces, even trim hardware, AP following. It's a very nice software that Ian has developed. And that's it. Hope you guys like it. Cheers.